Shopify shares surging, reporting a gigantic profit beat on third quarter results. And what a treat we have. We have Shopify president Harley Finkelstein. He joins us for First on CNBC Now. Harley, it is always a joy to see you, but on this particular number, it is fantastic to see you.
Yeah, thanks, Jim. Look, last quarter I came on your show and we talked about this new shape of Shopify that we were building and also the roadmap of the future. When you fast forward till today, what I can tell you is it's working as expected. We are faster, we are leaner, we are way more focused on our mission and becoming the global leader in commerce. We laid out a plan to balance our operational ambition and financial discipline, and the results speak for themselves. Q3 GMV was up 22% to $56 billion. Revenue was up 25% to $1.7 billion, and our cash flow was north of $270 million. And more importantly, or most importantly, I think, is we're seeing more and more of the biggest brands in the world come to Shopify. Companies like Ted Baker and Tom Shoes and Billabong, Quicksilver, LVMH's Pucci and GoPuff. We are really firing all cylinders right now.
Well, Harley, I think that you've got a couple of great your ethos is terrific, and your social shopping isn't niche, it's mainstream. And then you are really about being able to shop anywhere, which is what customers want. Tell us about physical stores being discovery for what you do and the idea that social is now mainstream, not niche.
Yeah, look, we first of all, we believe that future retail is retail everywhere. In fact, our product roadmap is really built around this idea to future-proof companies so they can operate for the next 10, 20, 30 years. And on physical retail in particular, it's really working. We actually saw an outsized growth in offline GMV this past quarter, 26% up year on year in Q3. And with brands like Banana Republic Home, Princess Polly, Sacramento Kings coming to us not just for e-commerce, but also for point of sale. When you look at other channels, for example, our social channels, we also think that the future retail will be dictated by where the consumer wants to buy. And when you sign up for Shopify, you can sell across every single channel in every single market.
Well, I'm so glad that you're the first person, other than, I should say, Shantanu Narayan at Adobe, which talks about AI empowering entrepreneurship, smaller people, because you share with that. You actually harness the power of AI for people who don't have everything, unlike the other big guys who we think have everything. Tell us about democracy.
Yeah, look, as you mentioned, we think we are uniquely positioned here because the AI tools we are building are specifically built for commerce and specifically built for entrepreneurs. Unlike other generative AI products, our AI is not just one particular feature or one particular product. It's integrated across all of Shopify's workflows and products. And what that means for entrepreneurs, specifically in small businesses, is they can run faster with a higher cadence. It means more democratization of the tools that, frankly, traditionally only the largest companies were able to achieve. And now, simply being on Shopify, you get access to Shopify Magic, and that really puts the power of AI into the hands of every single small business and entrepreneur.
Harley, it's Sarah. Does it reflect a consumer that's in better shape than we think? Or is this just moves that you're making? What's the read-through here from these results and your outlook on broader consumer behavior and spending?
Yeah, Sarah, thank you for the question. Look, I think the consumer is very resilient. We're on the precipice now of the busiest shopping season of the year, and we're already seeing the power of the consumer. We did a Gallup survey in partnership with Gallup a couple weeks ago. We found that American consumers not only are starting to buy their holiday shopping earlier and earlier each year, but also nearly 3 in 4 U.S. holiday shoppers plan to spend about the same or more on holiday gifts this year compared to last year. And the largest spenders this year is actually going to be Gen Z. The 18 to 29-year-olds are going to be the largest in terms of spend. But the other part to think about is that shoppers are still staying true to small business. Shopping small is really actually quite big business. And most of consumers' favorite brands, whether the smaller ones or the larger ones, are powered by Shopify. And we think our merchants will continue to see, will continue to be very resilient. We think our merchants are going to see an outsized opportunity this holiday season.
But when I first met you, I thought that maybe Amazon would be the enemy, but maybe you're a bit frenemy. How is that the Buy with Prime app doing?
Yeah. Look, what matters to merchants most, Jim, is choice. And we want to give merchants the ability to sell across every surface on the internet or in person possible. And so we recently announced Amazon's Buy with Prime app will be in the Shopify's App Store in a few weeks. And what that's going to do is it's going to give merchants the option to add Buy with Prime on Shopify's checkout. And it's all processed by Shopify Payments. And so giving our merchants more choice to grow and scale without ever having to leave the Shopify admin, we think is critical to our mission of making commerce better for everyone. So, whether it's a company like Amazon, or it's any of the other payment providers we work with or fulfillment providers we work with, giving these merchants choice means that Shopify will become the most important piece of software in their business and will be the heart of their business. Harley,
thank you so much for coming on and giving us a story, I think, that is about why there is such resilience, small, medium-sized business and customers. Good to see you as always.
Good to see you, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you.